have here the Frontier Co-op Sweet and Bright Paprika. I am a spice snob, so I love this brand. It instantly stands out as one of those quiet heroes that every clean kitchen really needs. Why I keep going back to these. Deep color. Let's just show you here. Deep color. So beautiful. Mild flavor and that clean, trustworthy label. This adds warmth and a subtle sweetness without being overwhelmed. It is perfect for clean eating, where you want flavor without heat. The color is just stunning. Even a light dusting really adds vibrant and a fresh little color to your food. Is it spicy? Nope, not spicy at all. So the final verdict here, this paprika is the kind of staple that literally is going to quietly upgrade everything you cook. It is clean, it is vibrant, and it is dependable. This is the spice that is going to make all of those healthy meals look and taste so polished. Highly recommend.